Speaking instruction. Read this text and practice speaking in which your friends the records it. Sarah. In my option, this social media things is hand out of had ever your which their phones and nobody not noticing what happening around Alex. I don't think so. It can be a great way to connect with friends and family, especially when they're far away. away. Daniel, from my point of view, it's double-edged sword. Sure, it can be fun and informative, but his friend up with a lot of constant notification and pressure to show a perfect life. Sarah, I agree it can be stressful constantly comparing your life with of people online when should are trying to be more present and then real world enjoy heroin moments and take breaks from then digit noise. Alex, actually I like it's about balance when can still connect online and in real life experience maybe the more we focus on authentic connection and mindful using the less when overwhelmed became negative aspect. Daniel, I thought you bring it's about finding helps balancing and not letting social media rule our lives. It's too important to prioritize our mental well-being and real-world relationship. Sarah, so do it maybe we can even set a chill for hours like this, not phone free times during the day. Alex, am in let's be the chance. Okay, we want to set in our social media habits. Daniel, excellent. Now let's enjoy this coffee and some actual conversation. The only kind.